Welcome to another Business Tech Planet video. Today, we'll show you how to use Microsoft Lists in Teams. Microsoft Lists can benefit your business by bringing your tasks together into a centralized location, and making it easier to plan collaboratively. When you sign into Microsoft Lists, you can create, view, and edit your tasks in a user-friendly interface. But switching between applications isn't always ideal. So to bring Microsoft Lists into Teams, open your Teams app, and navigate to the team that you want to add your lists to. Now hit the plus icon at the top. If Lists is visible, select it. Otherwise, search for Lists at the top. Then select the app from the results below. Now hit Save at the bottom. We now have the options to add an existing list, or create a new one. Let's create a new list. At first we're presented with the option of selecting a template, which we'll take a look at later. At the top, we can create a blank list, import data from an existing list, or import data from Excel. We've got an Excel sheet with some meeting information that we want to bring into Teams. So let's head back to Teams, and select from Excel. If the worksheet isn't in your Teams files, hit Upload File. Then select your Excel sheet, and hit Open. When the list opens, scroll down and hit Next at the bottom. Create a name for the list. Then select any icon or color you want. When you're done, hit Create. Once you've created the list, you can check off the items by adding a new column. Here, select Yes, No from the format options. Hit Next. Now add a name for the column, such as Complete. Set the default value to No. Then hit Save. We can now select any of the items. Here, click where it says Enter a value. Then click the Select box. Now, when we go back, we can see there's a check mark next to the item. To change a column format, click the down arrow in the column header. Then go to Column Settings, and select Edit. Let's change the column to a date and time. And be sure to toggle the friendly date on if you want a more readable date format. This allows us to see how much time remains or has elapsed between now and the date. When you're done, hit Save, and then save again to confirm. If you want to delete any of the rows, select them, then hit Delete at the top. Or you can edit them instead. You can see we've got the options to change the column information for the selected items. To add a new item to the list, just hit New at the top. We'll enter a new meeting called Debrief. When you've entered the information, just hit Save. Now you can see the new item at the bottom of the list. To add a new list, we need to create a new tab by clicking the plus icon at the top. Again, select Microsoft Lists. Then hit Save. Create a list. And this time, let's select a template. Now scroll down, and click Use Template at the bottom. Hit Create. You'll notice that there are numerous column headers at the top. To add a new item to the list, hit New, and you'll be able to enter the information for each column. That's all for this video. If you found it helpful, why not buy us a coffee? We'd really appreciate it, and you'll be helping us grow the channel. Thanks for watching. Remember to check the description for additional resources. And don't forget to subscribe for more Microsoft videos.